Good morning everyone. So today we're going to be looking at a very basic tutorial on how to set up a blinking LED on the Arduino Uno. For this project you are going to need the following components. I'll link them below in the description if you don't already have them. Here is the basic schematic that we're going to be working from throughout the project. You're going to want to start off the project by taking your Arduino Uno and a jumper cable. Connect the jumper cable to pin D11 and then take the other end of that jumper cable and connect it to your breadboard. From here, you're going to want to take your 22 ohm resistor and connect it to the positive lead coming out of pin D11. Now you're going to want to connect your LED. Remember, the positive lead is a little bit longer than the negative lead. Go ahead and connect the positive lead to the end of the resistor. From here, you're going to want to connect the negative lead of the LED to the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno, like so. Now that your circuit is set up, you can go ahead and connect your Arduino Uno to your computer. From here, we're going to look at the code that makes the LED blink, or you could code it yourself. I have included the file in the description if you like that. So go ahead and open up the blink.ini file. You should see the following code pop up. I'm going to quickly run through each line of code and what it does. This assigns pin 11 to the LED pin that we're going to manipulate. The pin mode then sets the LED as an output pin. Digital write as high then sets the LED on with a delay of 1500 milliseconds. We're then going to make that low, turning the LED off, delaying it for another 1500 seconds. You can go ahead and then verify your code, and if no errors pop up, go ahead and upload your code. As expected, the LED should start blinking on and off every 1500 milliseconds or 1.5 seconds. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider giving a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week for more Arduino tutorials and projects.